Please put your bag on the belt and remove electronic items.
Okay. Do I need to remove my shoes?
Yes, please.
All right.
You may go through now.
Thank you.
Have a nice journey.
Excuse me, is this gate 23 for New York?
Yes, it is. Boarding will start in 15 minutes.
Thank you for the information.
You're welcome.
Hi,
Good evening. May I see your boarding pass?
here it is.
Your seat is 14A, near the window.
Thank you.
Would you like water or juice?
Water, please.
Here you go. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you very much.